I'm Overland, celebrity personal trainer, and I'm going to show you some gentle moves for a happy back. So let's set it up. We're going to start seated, a seated spinal twist. So just cross your leg over, one over the other. I want you to reach up with the opposite arm, place it on the outside of your knee. Sit up nice and tall, and all I want you to do is spinal twist over to one side. Inhale for length and exhale. It can be just gentle movement. This is great to do at your desk, at work, just if you need a little extra love for your back. Inhale, exhale. You want to do this about 30 seconds each side. So think about spiraling up and out. Beautiful. Get some length. And exhale. Let's switch sides. I like to set it up. Cross arm, big reach. So you have a good tall spine. Inhale and exhale. Twist only as far as you can go. It's not a very tight twist. Just till you feel a little sensation, a beautiful stretch. Chin off your chest. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful. 3, inhale, 2, and time. Excellent. Our next exercise is hip flexor stretch. So we're going to start kneeling. You're going to be at 90-90. So a 90-degree bend. First thing I want you to do is have tall posture. You're going to lean forward, feel it in your hip flexor, reach up with the opposite arm, and then you're going to lean to the side. So not only will you feel a stretch in that hip flexors, but also you get a nice side body stretch. Inhale for length, reach over to the side, big reach. Beautiful. Hold that nice and strong. Everything is square. And if you need to reset and regroup, you can certainly do that as well. Reach, 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 reach. Beautiful. Inhale. And exhale, switch sides. So again, set it up. You have a 90-degree bend. Hips are square. First thing you're going to do is shift your weight forward. And then big reach and off to the side. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. This is great to open up your hips, and having happy hips means happy back. Inhale, exhale. I'm going to regroup like I did on the opposite side and reach. 5 more seconds. Yes. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent work. Now we're going to grab a stability ball. You could also do this on the floor. We're going to do little cobras. I like to call them Ys and Ts. You're going to set it up, a nice solid foundation with your feet. You are going to reach your arms up at a Y, bring them down, then out strong to a T and down. And then we're going to reach back and down. So we're going to hold each for 5 seconds or so. Here we go. Set it up. Big reach, upper back. Beautiful. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Smooth down. And then out to a T. Beautiful. Squeeze shoulder blades together. And down. And then a little cobra stretch. Nice. Inhale, exhale. Oh, I can feel that in my back. Let's do one more. Big reach at a Y. And down, out to a T. Couple breaths each position and down. And then reach long back behind you. Shoulders out of your ears. 3, 2, and 1. Excellent work. Moving on to a cat pose. So we're going to set up on all fours, shoulders over elbows, over wrists. You can have your feet tucked or not. I am going to have them flat. Inhale for a long spine, and then you're going to draw your navel in, push away from the mat, arch your back, and then come to a neutral spine. Let's do a few more of these. Inhale, belly button to the spine. Push away, round your back. Let it feel good. Neutral spine. Let's do one more. Inhale for cat. Round your back. And exhale. Keep that quadruped position. We're moving to bird dog, opposite arm, opposite leg. This is great for core work. I'm gonna start, bring one leg out and extend the other arm. Beautiful, reach, opposition. And then bring it back to center and then reach the other side. Beautiful. A lot of core work going on here. Core is important to work because that is part of your lower back. Let's do two more. Reach. Excellent. Hips are square to the floor, long line, nice and strong. And one more, bird dog. I love this one. Excellent. Breathe. 3, 2, and 1.